Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video we are going to see job opportunities for diploma holders in mechanical and electrical engineering. The name of the company is Bajaj Electricals Limited. I will be giving the link in the description. When you click on the link, you will be directed to the official website. If not, also if you type Bajaj Electricals Limited in Google and if you give a search means, you will be getting following result. In this you have to choose Bajaj Electricals. So you have to click on this icon. When you click on this icon, you will be directed to this page. When you scroll down, you can see a option called career on the left hand side. On the left hand side, you can see an option called career. You have to click on that. So it will be further directed to this page. When you scroll down, you can see an icon where there will be many options like this. Out of that, you have to choose current openings. You have to choose current openings and you will be directed to this page. Here you have to click on the icon search job. So when you click on the icon search job, you will be getting following result like jobs in Lucknow, Kolkata, Punjab and all will be there. So whichever is feasible and comfortable for you, you can apply for this. Today we are going to see the job post for officer safety. So you have to click on the icon officer safety. So you will be directed to this page. Those who are willing to work in UP and Lucknow can apply for this job by clicking the icon apply now. And this job is mainly a trainee and or officer safety. So location they are given here. Regarding the company, they have said many things. Just have a glance of it, and mainly they are recruiting for safety aspect and to train the subordinate and workers to complete the project on time with zero accidents. So it's very important. So safety of you as well as the workers is very important. And other responsibilities are like you must be familiar with other standards and able to handle multiple projects and investigate and report and analyze the accidents, and you have to organize and conduct safety committee meeting to evaluate the problem and how to resolve it. You have to conduct competition and contests in order to motivate the workers. You have to develop and organize training and implement the work. So ability to assist and lead the team, etc. So these are the things which they expect. Mainly you must have diploma in mechanical or electrical engineering from recognized university. Additionally, if you have advanced diploma in industrial safety from recognized institute or recognized college, means it's an added advantage. So freshers can apply for this job. If you have 1 to 2 years experience, means that too preferably in power plant construction, means you are most welcome. So these are the things which they expect from you. So whichever is comfortable and if you are convenient, means then you have to click on the icon apply now. So when you click on the icon, this page will be coming. If you already have the email ID and password, just put it and log in and give your details. If it is the first time you are coming here, then you have to create an account. So you have to give all your details like your first name, last name, country, etc. and you have to create an account. And after creating the account, you have applied for this job, and everything they will intimate via your registered mail ID and registered phone number. So kindly share this video to diploma holders in mechanical and electrical engineering. It will be very much helpful for them. And do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator. Then only you will be receiving all the videos which we upload. Stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thank you.